How to add your married name on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your married name on Facebook mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Facebook. First then let's go back. Now click on these three lines here and go down. Click this one, settings and privacy, and click settings, and then click profile information, and now click add other name and click this one and select married name, and now just type your married name here, and if you want to show it at top of your profile, click this one and then just click save. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.